Hey guys, it's Mrs. Wagner. I am at home today with a couple of sick kids, so I just wanted to go over what you're going to be doing for today. So just kind of take a look as I go through this. You can refer to this later if you want. So in Canvas, you guys are going to go to your to-do list for today or your 10-9 lesson. So you'll go into there and it will have your list of things that you should be doing today. So please do these steps in order. So the first thing I'm going to ask you guys to do is to work with your seat partner and set up a new notebook entry called Clay Density Experiment. If your seat partner is absent, then you can go ahead and find another person or group of 3 to work with, that's fine. But you guys should work on this together so that you have really similar answers and you can do this experiment tomorrow. So today's just the setup. Tomorrow I will give you your piece of clay and you will actually do this experiment. So you've got your title, you've got your question. All of this needs to get written in your notebook. You will write your hypothesis. So you're trying to determine if the size of a piece of clay affects its density. So you're going to get a big chunk, and then you will be able to make different sizes of clay and then compare their densities to each other. That's what you're going to do in your procedure. You're going to write out how you're actually going to test this. Please be specific about what measurements you will make. Tell me how you're going to make the measurements. So tell me what you need to measure. Include any equations that you're going to use for your calculations. Please do that. And then you're going to make a data table. So please have a data table ready for tomorrow. It can look kind of similar to the one from the last activity that we did, except you won't need that last column with materials in it. So you'll do that with your seat partner. And when you're finished, you'll move on to step 2 by yourself. So in step 2, you guys are going to go ahead and make your student-led conference slides for science. So you're going to click on this link, and this link will take you into your slides information. And it'll show you what to do here. So you're going to copy your slides once you get here. So I've made the slides for you. You just need to fill in the blanks. So I've made it really easy for you. But one thing that you need to do is you need to copy these slides and you need to put them into your existing presentation. So here's kind of how you would do that. So there's 3 slides that I want you guys to do for science. So you're going to go ahead and you can hold, you can click on the slides on the left. You hold the shift button down at the same time as you click on the slides and you can highlight them all at once. And I think that if you're on your Chromebook, in order to actually just copy these slides and then paste them into your other presentation, I think you do a click where you hold your 2 fingers down at the same time. And then you should see a menu like this. And you're going to copy these 3 slides. And then you're going to paste them. So you're going to, you'll have to have your presentation open that you've already created. But then you go ahead and go into there, and then wherever your science class is, depending on what your class period is, so you would find whatever that is, and you can kind of delete that slide that's already there. And then you can go ahead and paste these slides in. And these slides will end up right in your presentation. Okay. So, and then what you'll do is you're going to go through and you're going to edit your presentation. So you'll go into Hack, check your grade, put your grade here, and then you'll give an explanation as to why you think you have that grade. We'll talk about the pictures thing in a second. On this page, I want you to take a picture of a notebook entry and put it in here. Ask around if you don't know how to do the picture thing and insert it in. And then the last one's just kind of, I want you to answer these 4 questions about the class. So that's what you need to do. I do want you to go in and add some pictures or videos. That would make it really cool. And if you go back, so if you go back to the tab that you already have open about your slides, you'll notice that I actually have pictures linked for you. So please only choose pictures from your class period, but the link is there. So if you're in first period class, you can click on that link And I've got a bunch of pictures from this class. Please choose a couple that you like, that you wouldn't mind adding on there. Even if you don't want a picture of yourself, you can maybe snip a picture of something that we did of just the cups or something. Notice that I do have our States of Matter video there. You can also copy the States of Matter video and you can put it in there too. But choose a few pictures that you like and add them to that presentation. So you guys have access to the drive. Once again, please only use pictures of yourself in the picture and just stay within your class period there. Okay, so once you have your slides done, that's really all that you're required to do for today. When you get that part finished, you can go back to your to-do list once your slides are done. And I will give you guys a grade for your slides. You will need to show me that your slides are finished. And then step number 3 says, hey, work on that study guide that you got yesterday. Make sure you finish that. That is due tomorrow. It is on your Canvas calendar as being due tomorrow. So please finish that. If you get that done, you can click on this link and you can check out other review activities, Quizlet, quizzes. You can read a book, do other work. But yeah, that's what you guys need to do. So good luck. You are allowed to ask each other if you have questions, but please check with your teacher before you do that. All right, guys, have a great day. I hope to see you tomorrow.